Welcome. In front of me I have PlayStation 5 and I'm going to show you how we can restart this console. So at first we have to grab our controller and then move to the right upper corner when we can find the settings, so click X to enter. Next we have to move for the system, and then simply when we are on the system software we have to move right here and then go below for reset options. Click X and then move to the reset your console. Then move on the right and click reset. Click yes, and now just wait. Let's confirm. Okay, we switch from PS4 to PS5 because I connected two consoles at the same time. But let's switch source to our PS5, and as you can see right now our restart is complete, so all the data was erased, and right now we are able to click the PlayStation button on our controller, and right now we can go for the first setup, right? So right now we can simply connect to the Wi-Fi and set up other things. So as you can see, the restart is very simple. You are making it from the settings, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.